Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn about warm ocean currents of chapter 5 Europe 7th class. As we all know that water do not stay at one place. Water in the ocean are not static. They keep on moving, they keep on flowing from one place to another along the continents, means from one continent to another continent, from one place to another place. They keep on flowing, they keep on moving, they don't stay at one place. They are not static. Water is not static in the sense they do not stay at one place. These are ocean currents. The current, the water which is there, which are flowing, those are ocean currents which flow. The ocean currents which are there, they flow in the ocean for thousands of kilometers, like the river water flows on the land. The same way, means the river water which are there, which are flowing on the land, the same way these ocean currents also flow in the ocean. They keep on moving in the ocean for thousands of kilometers, that is for many kilometers. One such ocean is found in Atlantic Ocean. This one of the ocean which is there is found in Atlantic Ocean. This current originates near the equator where the water are warm throughout the year. So this ocean current which is there, which is originating in the sense starting near the equator, where the water will be warm throughout the year. For the entire year, for the complete year, the water will be warm. As we all know that the temperature near the equator, it will be very hot. As you are moving away from the equator to the poles like north and south, you can feel cooler and cooler, right? So the water which are near the equator are warmer throughout the year, and these ocean currents are starting near the equator. This current flows westwards to North America. So these currents, you can see they are moving from the westwards to the North America, right? They are moving from near the equator, they are moving to the westwards and to the North America. It flows towards the north along the east coast of America. Yes, it is flowing towards north along the east coast of America. See, it is flowing, these ocean currents are flowing from the east coast of North America under the impact of westerlies. Means how are they moving with the effect, with the impact of westerlies they are flowing through the east coast of America and then advances towards Europe. Yes, you can see that first they are blowing to the North America, to the east side, and slowly they are taking a diversion towards where Europe. They are advancing towards Europe. Moving northeastwards, it hits the western coast of Europe. Yes, as they are moving northeastwards, they are also taking a diversion towards they are hitting the west coast of Europe, as you have seen in the map 2 which I have posted there. This current is called Gulf Stream. So the current which are moving from the north eastwards and hitting to the western coast of Europe, this ocean current is called as Gulf Stream. Ocean water, the ocean water current which flows speedily is called as a stream. The ocean current which is flowing speedily is called as a called as a stream. In America, the current which are flowing with speed are called as a stream. So these are called as Gulf streams in America, while in Europe it is called North Atlantic drift. See here, a point to be noted: in America, these ocean currents are called as Gulf streams. Stream in the sense the water which are flowing with speed are called as is called as a stream in America. Then in Europe, it is called as North Atlantic drift. Then what is this drift? The ocean water which flows slowly is called as a drift. The ocean water which is flowing speedily is called as a stream. The ocean water which is flowing slowly is called as a drift. Drift is called in Europe. Streams, Gulf streams are called in America. The coastal water of eastern coast of North America and the western coast of Europe do not freeze in winter. Yes, the ocean water which are there in between North America, east side of North America and west side of Europe, which are there, blue color indicating water, they do not freeze, means they do not become ice. Yes, they do not become ice, they do not freeze even in winter. As we all know that even in winter season there will be heavy snowfall, but this Gulf streams do not they do not get frozen or they do not freeze in winter, so that is very thankful. Thus, it is possible for ships to visit the ports on this coast even during winter. As these are not freezing even in winter, this is helpful for traveling and for transportation of people, sending the goods, transporting the goods, or traveling for the people from one sea coast to another sea coast, and this even helps in trading purpose. Thank you. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe.